Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need your inverter serial number and site ID before you begin. Once you have them, connect the inverter to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Open Fronius Solar. Web and sign in with your account. If you use single sign-on, choose that option. After login, make sure your site appears in the system list. Click the site name to start. This first action loads live data and system details so you can proceed directly to monitoring. Once the site dashboard is open, focus on the plant overview to see live power in W and cumulative yield in kWh. This tells you output at a glance. Next, open the Performance or Energy tab to examine daily, weekly, and monthly trends. Use the time selector to refine the range. If you need granular data, go to History and generate a report. Export CSV when you want spreadsheet analysis. Make sure to note the inverter timestamps versus your local time. To finish, export the data you need. Choose CSV or PDF, set a custom date range, and download for billing or archiving. Then configure notifications, add email or SMS recipients, and set thresholds for low production or fault alerts so you stop problems before they grow. Finally, sign out when finished. If you see missing or stale data, try clearing your browser cache, verify inverter time settings, and power cycle the inverter. That usually resolves common sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.